Tired of laundry piling up in your small apartment? No space for a bulky washing machine? Dragging clothes to the laundromat every week? Spending hours waiting for your turn? Wasting precious time you could use for studying or relaxing? Laundromat costs adding up month after month. Or maybe you're a student with limited dorm space? Traveling often but hate hand-washing clothes? Camping or RV living but still need clean laundry? Laundry shouldn't be this stressful or inconvenient. Introducing the ZenStyle Portable Washer Compact Twin Tub. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. A mini washing machine designed for your busy lifestyle. Powerful yet quiet 1300 RPM motor gets clothes clean fast. Dual tub design. Wash and spin dry at the same time. Separate timers for washer and spinner. Total control. Wash up to 5.5 thalams, spin dry up to 4.4 thalams per load. Comes with a long 6.57 fruit water inlet hose for easy filling. Space-saving, lightweight, and easy to move anywhere. Fits perfectly in bathrooms, closets, or tight corners. No more rust, durable plastic body, and blue transparent design. Check your laundry anytime through the clear tub. Simple operation. Load clothes, fill water, set timer, start. Washer and spinner run together or separately, your choice. Save time by washing and spinning at once. Save energy and water compared to traditional machines. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, and travel. Let's see a typical laundry day before ZenStyle. You gather clothes, pack bags, and head to the laundromat. Wait for machines, spend money on each load. Haul wet clothes back, then find space to dry them. Laundry day takes hours and leaves you exhausted. Now, let's see laundry day with ZenStyle. You load clothes right in your bathroom or dorm. Fill with water using the included long hose. Set the washer timer, just 15 minutes max. Switch to the spinner, just 5 minutes to dry. Clothes come out clean, fresh, and nearly dry. All done without leaving home or wasting time. No more waiting, no more heavy lifting, no more expensive trips to the laundromat. ZenStyle makes laundry easy, fast, and affordable. Its compact size fits your lifestyle perfectly. Move it easily from room to room as needed. Ideal for students, apartment dwellers, and travelers. Enjoy more free time for what matters most. No need to worry about rust or complicated settings. Just simple, reliable laundry whenever you need it. Transparent blue design lets you check progress anytime. Dual function saves time. Wash and spin together. Separate timers give you full control every load. Lightweight and portable, take it wherever you go. Stop struggling with laundry in small spaces. Upgrade to the ZenStyle Portable Twin Tub Washer today. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Experience convenient, efficient laundry at home or on the go. Order now and make laundry stress-free forever. ZenStyle, your smart solution for modern laundry needs.